want to draw your attention up here to the suites at 306. I'm behind the glass right here at 306. So we're going to get it on camera as much as we can. But those of you that look here at 306, I've got a very special person. We'll be talking loud so you hear me, but this show in the program claims that this show started in 1969. This is Mr. Baird that pulled an international, and he remembers it being 1968. But this man right here competed at the very first National Bar Machinery Show. Give him a round of applause, Mr. Baird. Now, Mr. Baird, what class did you pull? When you was here, what class did you get? 12,000 super clock. And back in those days, you pulled more than that. 9, 12, and 14,000. I remember those days. Now, you've got to get down there and look at this track. What's your opinion of this track right here tonight?
I didn't go down and look at it, but it's too wet.
The track is too wet. So, what would you have done to your tractor if you was out there tonight? If you was pulling on that track tonight, what changes would you have made?
I'd probably go up here high, I've been a pulling and run fast like good.
I do that every night, run as fast as I can. We are very proud to have you here with us, sir. It's got to bring back a lot of memories for you sitting up here watching. Make them one more time. It's Mr. Baird, and the tractor's name was, but there's Cannonball. Right now, give him one more.